I'm gonna show you how you can place a tornado in your Instagram stories. We're gonna use Videorama. Let's open it, and we're gonna tap on portrait mode, and then I'm gonna select a very simple video so you can see the effect that the tornado has. And then we're gonna select this video and then tap on next. I just want to say that this is just a sample. It's not an actual video that I make for my stories, and I'm using this so you can see the entire effect. So, and this is a video. I want to just make sure that this is a video. All right, and then we're gonna tap on video effects, and then we're gonna go to the bottom and we're gonna look for tornado. We're gonna tap on the plus sign, and then I'm gonna decrease the volume all the way to 0 so it doesn't mix, so I don't mix the audio with the tornado and my voice right now recording. So I'm just gonna tap on done, and this is how the tornado looks. As you can see, you can appreciate the entire thing, and it even has a shadow right here on the bottom, so it looks very cool. And I actually have it in a story that I made, but I'm showing just how to add the tornado. So let's pretend that the story is ready, and of course you have to make it 15 seconds long. I'm gonna tap on OK, and then high resolution right here, and then 60 frames per second, and then we're gonna save our project. Then just to let you know, at the end of this video I'm just gonna play one of my Instagram stories with the entire editing. I have an image, I have music, and I have the effect is this story right here. So I'm just gonna play it at the end of the video so you can see how it looks. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.